इस पर्टिकुलर रियलिटी शो को यस क्यों किया आपने?
आई फील वेरी सैड कि वो जो इतना अच्छा प्लेयर था राज कुंद्रा, उसको मर्डर किया, उसका एग्जिट करा दिया उसका बेचारे का।
You don't go into a show not to win. You always want to win. In the day, for me, I was like, who's annoying? Like, do I want to continue another day with this person?
Hi
Hi
Raj.
Vatika, how are you doing?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Very good indeed. कैसा
So
लगा आपको
कैसा
शो?
रहा आपका experience? मुझे मुझे
मेरा
तो शो
experience-
बहुत बढ़िया लगा।
एडिक्टिव शो है, मैं तो देख रहा हूँ एंड आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट एज अ व्यूअर। फॉरगेट मैं उस शो में जा चुका हूँ, बट जो मैंने ये पहले एपिसोड 3 एपिसोड देखे हैं, आई फील वेरी सैड कि वो जो इतना अच्छा प्लेयर था राज कुंद्रा, उसको मर्डर किया, उसका एग्जिट करा दिया उसका बेचारे का। अच्छा भला खेल रहा था, बट दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द शो। आपको कुछ पता नहीं चलता कौन किसकी पीठ पे पीछे क्या बोल रहा है। यू नो, इन द बिगिनिंग मुझे लगा था कि मैंने बहुत ही शायद थोड़ा सा फास्ट खेल के फिर थोड़ा स्लो डाउन हो गया, और फिर थोड़े से मैंने जर्म्स फेंक दिए मार्केट में कि मुझे लग रहा है कि जानवी ट्रेटर है या आशीष सर है, और फिर मैं चुप हो गया। आई नेवर न्यू दैट eventually 2-3 people would have really joined the jigsaw pieces together and attacked me like Rebel Kid and Raftar did. But all done and said, मुझे बहुत मजा आया। ये शो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, कलयुग का शो है, पता नहीं चलता कौन दोस्त है कौन दुश्मन है उस टाइम के लिए। But fantastic, what a format, yeah, I love it.
राज, मतलब अभी तक हमने आपको सिर्फ एक मूवी में देखा है, अदरवाइज हम आपको एक बिजनेसमैन के तौर पे ही जानते हैं। सो इस पर्टिकुलर रियलिटी शो को यस क्यों किया आपने?
मुझे इसका फॉर्मेट बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो व्हेन इट वाज ऑफर्ड टू मी, मैंने अपने नीस से बात की थी, शी इज इन लंदन एंड शी's watched the traitors। So कह रहे मामू, इट्स वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग रियलिटी शोज, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है। इट्स नॉट चीखना चलाना, इट्स नॉट वन ऑफ दोस रेगुलर अदर रियलिटी शोज। इसमें कॉन्टेस्ट होते हैं एंड इसमें यू नो इट्स अ स्ट्रेटजी गेम। आप पोकर खेलते हो, शायद आप अच्छा भी खेल पाओगे, तो खेलो। So I participated and I liked the fact that once we got to know that Karan sir is going to be the host of the show, I realized कि ये बहुत ही बड़े पैमाने पे अपना प्राइम वीडियोस को बहुत ही अच्छी तरह प्रमोट करेगी। और the format really intrigued me because when I googled it और रिसर्च किया, तो ये एक सोशल एक्सपेरिमेंट है कि आप एक कमरे में 20 लोगों को डाल दो और सिर्फ 3 लोगों को पता है वो ट्रेटर्स है और 17 को नहीं पता, तो कौन जीतता है? तो नॉर्मली दे से लॉ ऑफ एवरेजेस में who's in the know in the minority beats the majority who's not in the know. That's amazing. So I wanted to see कि होता क्या है शो में, लेकिन मैंने सारे रिकॉर्ड
Social
तोड़ दिए।
political experiment.
Yes, you're right. That's what it
Oh,
is.
hi.
Hello.
Over to you, Lakshmi.
So
What was
लक्ष्मी,
your
कैसा
first
लग रहा है? मतलब जब आप एलिमिनेट हुए तो आपको क्या शॉक लगा, और is what expected or what?
It was expected, but there is always a disappointment, right? You don't go into a show not to win. You always want to win. You want to be your best, and you want to come out with flying colors. Having said that, 3 दिन के बाद I was like, हो गया बस, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. Physically बहुत exhausting था, mentally और बहुत exhausting था. मैं तो एक्टर बनी क्योंकि physically और mentally whatever exhaustion happens, it happens for a character. You know, you're putting your life into this character and you are doing it, so there is a commitment to this person, this character, this role that you take on, that I'm playing. But ye to aage mere pe, and I was like, I can't do this anymore, I don't want to do this anymore. So that was very very challenging for me, and jab main bahar aayi, I was very 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 happy ki मुझ पे इतना mental stress नहीं चाहिए रे life में, तो I was very happy. Abhi, when I look back, maybe I wouldn't take it so personally if I go back into the show.
Yeah.
But because this was my first reality TV, I was very righteous about everything.
So मेरा ये क्वेश्चन आप दोनों से है कि अभी अगर आप लोगों को वापस जाने का चांस मिले तो आप लोग जाएंगे?
अभी बोली
I don't
थी
think-
मैंने, तो अभी वापस
लक्ष्मी तो
जाने
नहीं
के लिए
जाएगी।
मौका मिला तो शायद जाऊंगी, मगर क्योंकि अभी मुझे पता लगा कि इतना पर्सनल मत लेने का, और जस्ट हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम। मुझे बहुत ही टेंशन आ रहा था जब शो कर रही थी, मेरा हार्ट बीट तो ऐसे ऑल डे लॉन्ग।
I think
So
वही
अगर अभी
चीज,
आप
Lakshmi is right. Sorry.
yeah continue please, sorry.
तो Lakshmi is right. You know, you can't take it personal. अब एक गेम शो पे है, you know, you have to treat it as a game show. तो आपको लग रहा है कि आपने किसी के साथ एक अलायंस बना लिया, किसी के साथ दोस्ती बना ली, और उसने ही आपको वोट आउट किया, तो इट्स पेनफुल। यू नो, व्हेन आई वेंट इन ऑन दैट टेबल ऑफ शक एज अ ट्रेटर, और मुझे लगा मेरे सारे दोस्त बन गए हैं, सब है, और सडनली सब एक के बाद सबने बिट्रे किया, So they betrayed the traitor, but that was the game. That's what you have to play. So थोड़ा सा दुख होता है कि यार मैंने तो इतने सारे यार दोस्त बना लिए, सबने मुझे वोट किया, but it's okay. That was the format. They caught me out. Hats off to all of them.
सो अगर अभी आप लोग वापस जाएंगे तो किसको ट्रेट करेंगे? आपके
किसको treat-
टारगेट पे कौन रहेगा?
नहीं टारगेट तो ऐसे ही है ना, सुबह का टारगेट कुछ होता है, शाम का कुछ होता है. You have to just go with the flow and you have to really keep learning and watching कि कौन हो सकता है, कौन क्या बोल रहा है, किसकी नेचर चेंज हो गई है. तो मुझे लगा कि मेरी फॉलो यही थी कि जब मैं एक ट्विटर बनाया गया था तो उसके बाद कुछ प्रेशर ज्यादा दबाया. I was on my front foot. So I should have थोड़ा सा डिफेंसिव खेलना चाहिए था. So it's okay. It's a learning. I played it to the best of my ability. You can't play this game show as yourself. You have to, like Lakshmi said, if you're yourself, then you're going to be too righteous and too nice because we're nice people. But you have to play it as if you are a character who's gone in to be a traitor. अभी क्या करना है आपको, उस हिसाब से आपको खेलना पड़ेगा. It's a character. It's like a movie character. आपको एक villain बनाया गया तो villain जैसे खेलो. आपको hero बनाया गया तो be the hero. So you have to play to the character. You can't be yourself too much, but at the same time, friendships are fake inside. You have to accept that. बाहर आके यारी दोस्ती बहुत अच्छी होगी सबके साथ. अंदर there was no chance of understanding कौन यार है, कौन दुश्मन है.
So, hi, Lakshmi, my question was from you. कि आप अगर अभी आप जाती हैं तो आपके टारगेट पे कौन सा कंटेस्टेंट रहेगा?
मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं कौन है किसको टारगेट करूं. ऐसे ही था कि in the day for me I was like who's annoying like do I want to continue another day with this person. उतना ही था, ये नहीं था कि ये ट्रेटर हो सकता है, इसको ऐसे करना है. Obviously our mind was on the traitors. मुझे लैंग्वेज भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट था क्योंकि मैं right now I speak थोड़ी बहुत हिंदी में. I'm not a Hindi speaking person and शो में तो इतने लोग शुद्ध हिंदी बात कर रहे थे. I was like thrown away quite a bit. But ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं इसको I will kill. I think I would have just gone with the flow and I would have still been true to my heart. Although when everybody said Raj was the traitor, somewhere in my heart, again, I saw him for who he was as a human being, not as this contestant, as a player. So I went and wrote Raj and voted myself out when I did that. Like people were like, this girl's getting smart. So let's just I wrote Ashish instead of Raj.
So Raj, मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे था कि अभी जो भी टेंटेटिव लिस्ट आ रही है और जो भी इंटरनेट पे बस चल रहा है उसमें यही क्लेम किया जा रहा है कि आप बहुत जल्दी बिग बॉस ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. Is it true?
Well, I'll answer for him. Why would he do it in India? Put him in London, Big Brother, or whatever that is the format here. He's got to one up the wife, man. What the heck?
बहुत सारे इंटरनेट पे से बस आ रहा है और बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया पे क्लेम किया जा रहा है कि आप बहुत जल्दी बिग बॉस ज्वाइन करेंगे.
No. I'm not doing it. It's fake news. और हमारे परिवार से बहुत लोगों ने बिग बॉस कर लिया already. So I think it's enough. एक फैमिली में हो गया बस जितना होना था. It's not for me. And like Lakshmi said, if I had to do it, I'd rather do the international one. But I don't think I would do it. I'm not cut out for those kind of reality shows. ये अच्छा था Traitors, बस I enjoyed it. Classy, nice, बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
So what's your next plan?
My next plan is I have a Punjabi film coming out on the 5th of September. Finished shooting and it's starring Geeta Basra, but let's stick to Traitors.
No, Raj. No. You plug in everything you do in every interview. Don't say Traitors. You got in here. Talk about
Oh,
it
sweet.
also. Hello.
No, but that's it. I've got a film coming out on the 5th of September. You'll see me in a proper Punjabi feature film. So looking forward. This Nepo husband is coming soon.
I can't wait. And I hope you have some serious dance moves going on because I'm a fan of your Punjabi dance
I
moves.
love you.
Nobody,
I love
you have no
Bhangra.
bones in your body and it's so beautiful to watch. Like you just lift the
Rosie.
spirit of the space because of how you come in with that play of yours. I love it.
Thank you. So sweet of you. Thank you. Means a lot.
So many things. First and foremost, just living a life of gratitude for all that I have. That itself I'm really proud of because I know people around me who have a lot more than me and how sadhus they are, and I'm like, wow. And even I'm feeling that gratitude even more now that with what has happened in India with the airline crash and where it went and crashed. Your life is so fleeting every time. But having said that, I am proud for having brought me this far, and the proudest that I feel is being a mother. I mean, that's the greatest joy. Like, I wake up with a smile with my daughter next to me.
Yes, Raj, over to you.
No, 100%. I mean, my pride and joy is Shilpa and my two kids. Nothing more, nothing less. Just blessed to have an amazing family, very supportive. I think everyone's seen in the last few years, Shilpa's been the rock of Gibraltar, you know, the wind beneath my wings. A lot has happened. It's been a roller coaster the last 10 years. And I just think it's fantastic to have a partner that's rock solid and trusts and has faith in you. So it just helped me to get through a show like Twitters as well, where you know, it's very hard to trust people. And I think my biggest folly in life, पिछले 5-6 साल में बहुत गलत लोगों को trust किया है. And because I am, what you see is what you get. And people who know me later, like me and everyone will realize they're all friends of mine, that ऐसा ही हूँ मैं, जैसा शो पे नजर आ रहा था. So I didn't come in playing a character, which maybe I should have. I just came in me, and I talk to everyone. I'm friendly with everyone. And that everyone said, अरे ये तो traitor होगा, because हर किसी से बात कर रहा है, हाँ पे हाँ मिला रहा है. Someone said a friend to many is a friend to none, but that's not me. I'm a friend to everyone. Nice to me, I'm nice to you. Khatam.
I think it came across beautifully. I know as a game and as a show and as being on screen, you want to be there as much as possible. Having said that, I think you being eliminated just showed that whatever is going on outside of your life, that you are this honest, genuine person, that even if you tried to lie and worked really hard at it, you still can't. So,
Yeah.
so that came through.
My wife always says that, कि राज तुझे झूठ बोलना नहीं आता, 2 मिनट में पकड़ लेंगे. So she said, maybe you shouldn't have been a traitor. ऐसे मेरे हाथ में नहीं था. Traitor बना दिया तो बनना पड़ा.
So,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
हम लोग edition
Thank
end
you.
करेंगे. So, best of luck, future.
Sorry, but
And it
आपका
was
last.
nice talking to you.
बहुत कट हो रही
Thank
है.
you. So nice talking to you. Thank you.
Same
Say all
here,
nice
same
things
here.
about us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.